I'm sure you've heard the buzz about AI marketing tools. But what if one tool could handle everything? Websites, ads, content, and more. Let's talk about MarketingBlocks AI. MarketingBlocks AI is your all-in-one marketing genius in a box. No design skills? No problem. Want killer ad copy, stunning visuals, or even a whole website? Just tell MarketingBlocks what you need, and boom, it's done. Its AI copywriter writes captions, emails, scripts, and lead magnets that sound just like you. The AI graphic designer instantly makes eye-catching posts, banners, and thumbnails, even if you can barely draw a stick figure. The AI page designer builds landing pages and lead funnels while you sip your coffee. That's not all. You also get 20+ smart tools, AI videos, voiceovers, chatbots, and social media automation, ready to save you hours every week. This isn't just automation, it's like having a whole marketing team that never sleeps. Ready to ditch, overwhelm, and grow faster? Hit the link below, try MarketingBlocks free, and let AI do your marketing magic.